Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game version and that the emote is released to your region. Once confirmed, open the in-game store or event menu immediately. You should verify you have 500 coins or the specific trade token shown, because purchases fail without exact funds. Next, travel to the event area or the vendor NPC and target them. Perform the interaction prompt now so the transaction window appears. These first actions unlock the purchase flow and avoid wasted time. You proceed by finishing the prerequisite quest or daily. These often gate the emote. Once done, open your emote or emote wheel, then switch to the Store or Cosmetics tab and filter for Move It. Select the emote and check the tooltip for ownership requirements. Make sure you have the exact token or 500 coins available, then confirm the buy or redeem action. After redeeming, wait a moment for the server to grant the emote before closing menus and testing it in-game. You finalize by assigning Move It to a quick slot or your emote wheel so you can trigger it fast in combat or social hubs. Test it immediately to confirm animation and sound. If the emote does not appear, log out and restart the client. Make sure the game completed any pending downloads. If still missing, capture a screenshot of transaction history and contact support with the receipt. This resolves most lost item issues. One key tip: verify server sync before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.